Daily English practice 4. Listen, write, read, and repeat. To be, question and answer. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at work. Where are you? I am at school. Where were you? I was at home. Where were you? I was at work. Where were you? I was at school. Where will you be? I will be at home. Where will you be? I will be at work. Where will you be? I will be at school. Where are you today? I am at home today. Where were you yesterday? I was at work yesterday. Where will you be tomorrow? I will be at school tomorrow. Negative. Are you at home? No, I am not at home. I am at work today. Are you at home? No, I am not. I am at work today. Yesterday, were you at work? No, I was not at work. I was at home yesterday. Yesterday, were you at work? No, I was not. I was at home yesterday. Tomorrow, will you be at school? No, I will not at school. I will be at work tomorrow. Tomorrow, will you be at school? No, I will not. I will be at work tomorrow. See you soon. Next lessons.